Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and I talk a lot about Salesforce and Salesforce owned products. Today we're going to be going over how to private your channel after you've already created the channel. So I have this channel, it's called Project Archive. Eventually I want to archive this and that's why I have archive in the name, but I want to move this to private so then no new people can join while I'm getting the information off of it. So then no one new will be posting any information from it. So I'm in the channel over here. I'm going to go up here to the top and then go into settings here. Now I am going to click change to a private channel. It's just giving us a couple warnings of no changes will be made to the history or members. All files will be accessible to everyone publicly so far, that are in the whole Slack org. So I'm going to change this to private. And there you go. We can see that it is private. It gave us a little timestamp here as well that it was made private. But hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can connect with me on LinkedIn and Twitter at EmilyCallMBA. Thanks so much. Catch you guys in the next one.